Kontrabida, number one, doon. Yung mga, siguro mga nanay nyo, o yung mga lola nyo, makikilala, ay si Rosa Rosal, dati kontrabida.
I met her late 49, 50 when we were already making a movie. But then we became neighbors and we got to talk about our lives. And one day, somebody saw her and asked her if she wanted to be a movie star. Binigyan niya siya ng role, pero paunti-unti because they didn't know where she belonged. Kung bida siya, o kontrabida, o kung ano.
The never-ending charity balls among the rich and famous, raising funds for favorite charities. On television, Damayan in particular, and other media channels, providing responses to the needs of the disadvantaged.
She is Damayan and she was kapwa ko mahal ko. Even to this day, pag sinabing kapwa ko mahal ko, siya pa rin ang pumapasok sa isip nila, ayan si kapwa ko mahal ko, tapos kukorek pa namin, hindi, Damayan. When she was much younger before, noon, talagang naaalala ko yan, basta may ku, may sakuna, may baha, may nangangailangan ng dugo, meron AB negative na ganyan. Any time of the day, they call her, talagang she's out.
It is in our ability to relate to them that we're able to provide. It's not just coming in and doing it and then leaving after the cameras have left. So Rosa Rosal is public service epitomized, meaning hers is really a continuing and lifetime devotion. And that is the way I think it should be.
Artista na ako noon, and then nasa Red Cross na ako noon. Because 1975 ang kapwa ko mahal ko. At Damayan has been in the air for 33 years now, and I'm still doing it. At yun din, tinatang din sa akin, how long, hanggat nakakalakad ako, hanggat, I mean, you know, I'm alive, I will continue.
Tinignan ko siya as a service woman. Si Ma'am Rosa Rosal kasi, hindi namin siya kinoconsider as boss. Pagdating dito sa blood services, siya ang aming pinakananay na kung meron kaming gusto, sinasabi namin sa kanya.
Wala pang nakalagay, wala pang kailangang pera.
Pagdating sa trabaho, si Ma'am stricta yan. Pag trabaho. Kung kukuha kami ng donations, magtiyaga kang mag-antay sa isang company para makakuha ka ng donations. Kahit na 100 pesos lang yan, 200. Basta sa kanya, anything na donation, paghirapan natin.
Always ready, always there.
It's my whole life. Ako'y nagkapalad na binigyan akong talin ng Panginoon na lahat ng award as best actress, natanggap ko na rin. Lahat ng parangal sa pagiging artista ko, natanggap ko na rin. At itong aking sa Red Cross kong itong nagawa kong ito, kaya ako'y mamamatay. Gusto ko matandaan ako ng kabataan na hindi ko sinayang ang aking buhay.
Well, they will always remember her for what she did, what she has done to the list of the people, you know, yung mga mahihirap, the help she has given them. The children that went to school, they will always remember her.
Any message po kay Ms. Rosa?
Mahal ko siya.
If you're going to do something, give it your best or don't do it at all. Sabi niya, whether may bayad ka or wala, yung give it your best shot. Ganon.
I pray that Mami Rose will have many years more to be able to do her work. I pray for her strength, and I thank her for providing us the inspiration to do what she's been doing.
Basta ako ang gawa ko, I'm focused. As long as I'm breathing, I will continue working. Always go an extra mile for somebody that's in need.